This is what the influencers mean when they say, pull your wig right out of the package and put it on your head and be ready. They say it's glueless. They say it's ready to go. Snap on, let's get it. Ooh, she's snug. You don't have to worry about side taps. It actually has this flap right here. You want a side part? Oh, no problem. It's ready to go. The only thing that I will do is tint my lace. They don't know the skin tone of everyone. So if somebody was way lighter than me, this will work out for you. But I'm a cute, sexy, chocolate brown skin baddie. So I need to tint my lace. See here, the difference. That's it. I love that this look like it could be my hair. It's real natural looking. It's fluffy. It's super soft. Like it's just eating down all the way around. Super thick. It is 250% density. Of course, the curls clump and pop instantly. Baby, let me tell you how you can level up your look with this 7x5 lace curly closure wig. It features a natural hairline with beautiful soft bouncy curls and a breathable lace for all day comfort. It has a breathable cap as well. It's super beginner friendly, easy to style, which I'm going to show you in a minute, and it's perfect for those effortless beauty days where you just want to slay real quick. Okay, real quick, easy install. They say it's glueless. They say it's ready to go. Snap on, let's get it. Hold on, wait a minute. I just like kind of freshened up my makeup because this is the second video I'm filming today. Well, I filmed the other video about 2 hours ago and I really did not want to do this one. To be honest, you know, baby girl look good. She look really, really good. The curls are popping. But baby, I'm tired. Literally took this out of the package. I don't even plan on stopping my camera. Right now I'm at 1 minute because I've been talking. So I tried to talk myself out of it, but I let a quarter hold my fate. So I said if it lands on heads, I have to come back here and film. Ooh, she's snug. So clearly it landed on heads. And then I said, if it lands on tails, I'm going in the kitchen, putting those chicken wings in the oven along with some fries because I'm hungry. I'm hungry, I'm sleepy, and this wig look good as fuck. I'm ready. That's all I had to do. What is it at? 2 minutes and 34 seconds? Stop it. Now, this is the wig that people be talking about that you need, that you can just put on and go. And I'm talking about I might need to define my curls. I don't need to define my curls. My hair look really, really good like this. Oh, and it is what? 7x5 lace. So, because this is a closure, not a frontal, even though it's giving frontal. So lace from here to here. Perfect. The lace stops right here, like under my temple. This is the only area that does not have lace. I can deal with that because I'm tired of the little side tabs anyway. You don't have to worry about side tabs. It actually has this flap right here that comes down over your sideburns. Like you see this? No plucking necessary. The part look good. Meanwhile, I do not have on a wig cap. This one, you can still part it. And look. You can see that it look like scalp. You want a side part? Oh, no problem. What? You want a wig that you can pull out of the box and put on your head? This is what you need. This wig, it's ready to go. The only thing that I will do is tint my lace because that's not matching my skin tone, which is fine because, you know, they don't know what everybody look like. They don't know the skin tone of everyone. So if somebody was way lighter than me, this will work out for you. But I'm a cute, sexy, chocolate brown skin baddie. So I need to tint my lace. I will be using this TaylorMade lace tint. You can't even see the label. It's rubbed off. And using this brush, But watch, this is the only thing I'm going to do to this wig. Put some of this on my brush. You can also use makeup. You can use, girl, get you some tea. Get you a bag of tea and some hot water. You can use that. But see here? It's brown. It's like a brown liquid. Yeah. So all I will do is just tap that on the edge of my lace just to get it to blend in with my skin tone. Or I could have took my foundation brush that I was using earlier to do my makeup without adding any extra product, tapped it onto my lace, and that would have worked as well. But you can literally see here the difference. Melt right in. And that's it. That look amazing. Amazing. And I like my hair like this because you can tell they already had defined the curls as well. Wiggins, y'all did y'all big one. And I have a melt band, but there's nothing to melt because it's so secure on my head. It's not like really, really tight to where it's giving me a headache, but it's very secure because look how flat the lace is laying against my forehead. I don't even need a melt band. And that's it. I love that they defined the curls. Yes, I have my mousse right here ready for me, but I don't need that. I love that this look like it could be my hair. It's real natural looking. It's fluffy. It's super soft. Now, stay to the end of the video that I am going to show you how it looks when you define your curls. But this is how I would wear my hair if I wasn't ready going there, eating some chicken wings and some fries and go to sleep. But look, I didn't have to do anything but tint my lace. So that's it. Done. Done. When I say y'all need to go get this, y'all need to go get this. Let me show you the back. Does the back eat too? Like it's just eating down all the way around. Super thick. It is 250% density. And it's giving all 250% as well. Look how thick my ponytail is. She thick, thick. Like me. Oh, you know when people sleeping, they just be laughing and talking and yapping. That's me. Hold on, that was cute. That's it. This is what the influencers mean when they say, pull your wig right out of the package and put it on your head and be ready. So are you ready to slay? If so, don't miss out and go shop Wiggins Hair for premium quality wigs that's natural looking with unbeatable prices and fast shipping. Transform your look in minutes. The perfect look is only a click away. Let's just do this section up here so you will know, just in case you know you don't like your hair to be this big. You like your curls to be more defined. A little lighter body. Who likes to party? This lighter body always smells so good. Of course, the curls clump and pop instantly. Wow. Look at how luscious this hair look. It has a nice luster to it. The curls look so soft and juicy. They did this. What type of hair is this? Yeah. So you can go with this, or you can go with that, or you can go with this, or you can go with that. That look really good. But I'm still happy that I had it like this. This way just look really, really natural to me, you know? This way look good too, but I don't know, it's something about this that I love. But yeah, I think you guys get the picture of this wig that you needed. I'll leave the link down below. Click it so you can go get it. and wear it straight out of the box. Tint your lace a little bit and that's it. Alright. So yeah, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think or if you have any questions. And also, share this video to a friend who needs this wig. Alright, you guys. See you next time.